Hi everyone, so for the past 6 years or so, I have run the 5K plan, the rowing 5K plan on YouTube entirely for free and on my website. Now what it was, or is just a bunch of videos where you row along with me, hence the RowAlong name, and you get better with your 5K rowing. But the flaw to having it on YouTube entirely for free, it will always be for free, is that there's no real context to it. You don't really get all the stuff about how to set up your machine and why you're doing it and all that kind of jazz. So I have made a proper 5K plan, a premium plan, if you will, because there's a tiny little bit of money involved in this one, $20 for it, to then have your 5K plan with all the same workouts, the same videos. I'm going to say that again, the same stuff that's also entirely for free on YouTube. You can now get with this premium plan, but what it does is it gives you a whole bunch of context first. Why you're rowing these sessions, the whole philosophy behind the 5K training plan, how to set up your machine, what to look out for, all that kind of stuff. And then each of the rows themselves also then have a lot more context to them as to why you're rowing them, rather than you kind of sitting down, loading up the video, rowing along with me, and then finding out in dribs and drabs through that video why you're doing it and stuff about technique. So I'm really hoping that this is going to be of value. $20 it's not an insignificant amount of money, but I do think that that $20 is going to be worth it if you want to check it out. So you can go to my website, RowAlong.com, and you will see the premium plans link up at the top of that, or there should be a link below in this video which you can go and check it out. If you have any questions at all, please do get in touch with me at info@rowalong.com, or of course you can comment below and I will answer you there. So I do hope to see you there. But if you're not, remember I've got a whole bunch of just workouts up here that you can do on your own. That 5K plan, like I say, is available here entirely for free with all my other plans that you can do if you wish. You don't have to pay for the premium one. It's entirely up to you. All right, so look after yourselves, row well, be well. Bye-bye.